Hi everyone, I hope you are all safe and healthy with your family and friends. In this video, we are going to learn about 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 9, Rectification of Errors, Exercise 11. Rectify the following journal entry. They have given here journal entry with the error. We have to find out the error for given journal entry and we need to rectify the error in the journal entry. We have to give the journal entry with the rectification of error. Okay, let's see the journal entry, given journal entry. Okay, Kumaran account debtor 10,000 rupees to cash account 10,000. The narration also given here, salary paid to Kumaran. Where is the error? Listen here. Let's see, let we take the narration as the transaction. What is the narration? Salary paid to Kumaran. Let's take the narration as the transaction, that is salary paid to Kumaran 10,000 rupees. Okay, what we give the journal entry for this transaction? What this transaction tells us? Salary paid to Kumaran. That means salary goes cash. Salary paid through cash to the Kumaran. So cash account decreases. We credited the cash account. Whenever cash account decreases, we credited the cash account in the name of salary. For salary, cash account decreases. So salary account debtor 10,000 rupees to cash account. This is the correct journal entry for this transaction. For this narration, salary paid to Kumaran 10,000 rupees. For this transaction, the journal entry is salary account debtor 10,000 rupees to cash account 10,000 rupees. Okay. So, can you say where is the error? Credit side or debit side? Listen, debit side has the error because let's see the credit side to cash account to cash account. So, credit side has no error. Where is the error? Error is on debit side. This is the one-sided error. Where is it? It is on debit side. Instead of salary account, they entered Kumaran account. Okay, salary paid means salary account debited. But instead of salary account on debtor side, they entered Kumaran account. Okay, we found the error. Okay. So listen, how can we rectify this error? The rectification of error is, what is the narration? Salary paid to Kumaran. So salary account debtor. We take the salary account at the correct journal entry is we take on debtor side salary account. So salary account debtor. Okay. Which is the error? Kumaran account debtor. On debtor side, Kumaran account is the error. Okay. On debtor side, we has the error. Okay. So we have to credit it. Then only the error will be rectified. We have to credit the Kumaran account. Then only the error rectified. Okay. So on credit side, we have to write to Kumaran account. Do you understand what I say? Okay, let's see the next transaction. The error journal entry they given here with error. They give the journal entry with error. That is, the journal entry is Sengutuvan account debtor 6,000 rupees to cash account 6,000 rupees. Narration also given here, rent paid to Sengutuvan. Let's take the narration as the transaction. Then only we can understand the journal entry easily. Then only we can identify which side has the error. Okay. So we can take this narration as the transaction. That is rent paid to Sengutuvan rupees 6,000, right? Okay. What is the journal entry for this? What this transaction tells us? Rent paid to Sengutuvan. That means rent paid means cash goes out in the name of rent. Okay, cash goes out means cash account credited in the name of rent account. Okay, so rent account debtor 6,000 to cash account. This is the correct journal entry. Okay, then where is error? credit side we have, credit side is the correct entry. To cash account is on credit side. On credit side there is no error. Cash account to cash account to cash account. Okay, let's see the debit side. Rent account debtor, here Sengutuvan account debtor. What is the transaction, what is the narration given here? Rent paid to Sengutuvan. So rent account debtor is the correct entry on debtor side. Okay, so Sengutuvan account debtor is the error. Instead of rent account, they entered Sengutuvan account. Which side has the error? This is the one side error. On which side? On debit side. Okay. So debit side, Sengutuvan is the error. Rent account debtor is the correct entry because rent paid to Sengutuvan means rent account debtor to cash account. So this is the correct entry. How do we find out? We found the error. Where is on debtor side Sengutuvan account? This is the error. Okay. How do we rectify it? So rent paid to Sengutuvan means we enter rent account debtor on debit side. Okay, listen. Which is the error? Sengutuvan account debtor. Debtor side Sengutuvan is the error. Okay, how do we rectify it? We have to credit the Sengutuvan account. Then only the error will be rectified. So on credit side we have to write to Sengutuvan account 6,000 rupees. Then the error will be rectified. Now error rectified. What is that? Rent account debtor 6,000 rupees to the error account we have to credited. Okay, let's see the next transaction. The next transaction is the journal entry. Error journal entry is given here. The journal entry is given here with the error. Okay, do you understand what I say? The journal entry is given here with error. What we have to do? We have to find out which side has the error, debtor side or creditor side. Then how do we rectify it? How can we rectify the error? Okay, we have to give the journal entry with the rectification of error. Okay, let's see the journal entry. Cash account debtor, this is the question. Okay, cash account debtor 2,000 rupees to sales account 2,000 rupees. The narration also given here. Furniture sold for cash. So listen, we have to, the narration is very important. Then from the narration we have to find out the error. Okay, furniture sold for cash. We can take the narration as the transaction. Okay, so the transaction is furniture sold for cash rupees 2,000. Okay, what this transaction tells us? They sold furniture for cash rupees 2,000, isn't it? Okay, what is the journal entry for this? Cash account debtor 2,000 rupees to furniture account 2,000 rupees, isn't it? Okay, where is the error? Listen here. Furniture sold for cash, they given the narration. When you sold goods only, you have to enter the sales on credit side. When you sold goods, that means cash account debtor to sales account. When you sold goods, cash comes into your business. Whenever you generate sales, cash income is come to your business. So your cash account increases. When you sold goods, your cash account increases. Cash account will be debited. When you generate sales, your revenue will be increased. Whenever revenue increases, you credited the revenue account. That means you credited the sales account. So cash account debtor to sales account. But what is given here? Furniture sold for cash. Goods sold for cash only, you have to enter the sales account on credit side. But Furniture sold for cash means the furniture is the asset. Okay. Whenever they given the asset, you have to enter the name of the asset on credit side. Don't enter the sales account. Cash account data to furniture account. So listen here. So what is the transaction? Furniture sold for cash rupees 2000. So whenever they give the asset, name of the asset, you have to enter the asset name on credit side. Okay, so the correct journal entry is cash account data 2000 rupees to furniture account 2000 rupees. Okay, where is the error? This is one-sided error. Okay, which side we have the error? Let's take the debit side. Debit side we have cash account. We have to compare with the given journal entry and correct journal entry. Okay, so we have to compare with both journal entry, then only we have to find out the error. Okay, they have given here cash account data. We passed the journal entry. We passed the correct journal entry here for they given from the narration. We passed the journal entry, correct journal entry here. So we have compared both journal entry and then only we find out the error. Okay. So let's take the debtor side. What is debtor side? They have given cash account debtor. We passed the correct journal entry cash account debtor. So both debtor side account is correct account, cash account. Okay. Okay. So debtor side we don't have the error. Okay. Then let's take the creditor side. Okay. What is they given here? What they given here? To sales account. We passed the journal entry on creditor side to furniture account. Which side error? Credit side has the error. To sales account is the error. How do we say? Why we say sales account is the error? Furniture account is the correct entry. Furniture account is to be credited is the correct journal entry. Furniture account credited, this is the correct journal entry. Sales account credited, this is the wrong, this is the error. When you sold goods for cash, you can enter on credit side to sales account. When you sold goods, when you sold asset for cash, you have to enter only the name of the asset, furniture account. Furniture is the name of the asset. Okay. So you have to enter the asset name on credit side. So this one is the right one, correct entry, and this one sales account is credited. This is the wrong entry. This is the error. We found the error. Okay, which is side? On credit side we have the error. Okay, how can we rectify? Okay, now we found the error. How can we rectify this error? The rectification of journal entry is, what is the narration? Furniture sold for cash rupees 2000, right? So furniture account is to be debited. Cash account data to furniture account. This is the correct entry. Okay. So furniture account is to be credited. Okay. There is no change. So we credited the furniture account 2000 rupees. Then which side has the error? Credit side has the error. We have to debited it only. The error will be rectified. The error, which side we have the error? We have to enter opposite side. Credit side we have the error. Sales account. Which account is error? Sales account is on credit side. So we have to debited the sales account. Then only the error will be rectified. Okay. So we have the error in credit side. Name of the account is sales account. We have to debit it. Okay. So on debit side we have to write sales account debtor 2000 rupees. Now the error will be, error is rectified. So furniture sold for cash means furniture account is to be credited. and error account is we have to enter the error account in opposite side. Here error account is given here on credit side, we have to debit it. Okay, so sales account at 2000 rupees. Let's see the next transaction, that is the journal entry is given here. We have to find out the error. Okay, on which side the error is, we have to find it. Okay, listen, the given error journal entry is cash account data 10,000 rupees to Kumara Raja account 10,000. Narration also given here, goods sold to Kumara Raja for cash. Listen, from the narration only we can find out the error. Okay, so what is the narration? Goods sold for cash to Kumara Raja. Okay, listen, we can take this narration as the transaction. Okay, so goods sold for cash for Kumara Raja rupees 10,000. What this transaction tells us? Goods sold for cash 10,000 rupees. What is the journal entry? Whenever you sold goods, your cash account increases. When you generate sales in your business, whenever you generate the sales, your cash comes into your business. Through sales, cash comes into your business. Okay, so whenever cash account increases, you debited the cash account. So whenever you generate the sales, your revenue will be increased. Whenever revenue increased, your revenue account will be credited. So sales is the revenue. Whenever you made sales, this is the revenue. You credited the sales account. So what is the correct journal entry for goods sold for cash to Kumaran? Cash account data to sales account. This is the correct journal entry, right? Okay, we have to compare both the journal entry. Given journal entry, we pass the journal entry. From the given journal entry, we made the correct journal entry. Okay, so let's first take the, which side we can take first? We can take on debtor side. We have to compare on both debtor side. What is given here? Cash account debtor 10,000 rupees. We pass the journal entry, correct journal entry, cash account debtor 10,000 rupees. So debtor side has no error. Both are given, both are cash account on debtor side. Both have the cash account on debtor side. So there is no error. On which side we have the error? They have given here Kumara Raja account. We passed the journal entry on credit side to sales account. Of course, credit side has the error. We have the different account. Okay, credit side has the error. We found the error now. Kumara Raja is the error. To Kumara Raja account 10,000 rupees. This is the error. Okay, credit side we have the error. We have one-sided error, that is on credit side. Okay, now we find the error. How do we rectify it? So what is the narration? Goods sold for cash to Kumara. Okay, so cash account data to sales account. So sales account, we have to take sales account on credit side. Okay, which is the correct entry? Kumara Raja account or sales account? Sales account is the correct side, correct entry. Okay, so on credit side we have to enter to sales account 10,000 rupees. Okay, okay, which side we have the error? On credit side we have the error. We found to Kumara Raja account. So we have to debit it only. The error account, which side error account? Credit side we have the error. We have to debit it. Okay, then only we have to opposite it. We have to enter opposite side only. The error will be rectified. So we have to enter Kumararaja account on debit side. So Kumararaja account debtor 10,000 rupees. To sales account 10,000 rupees. Now the error is rectified. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Oh, sorry. Let's see the next transaction. The next transaction is they given the journal entry with error. Okay. The journal entry is the question, considered as the question. Manimaran account debtor 1,000 rupees to purchases account 1,000 rupees. Goods taken by the proprietor Mr. Manimaran for his personal use. Okay. Listen, from this, can you find out the error? Can you say which side we have the error? You cannot say which side we have the error. Let's see the narration. From the narration, we take the transaction. Okay, listen. Goods taken by the proprietor Mr. Manimaran for his personal use rupees 10,000 rupees. Okay. For this, what is the correct journal entry? What this transaction tells us? Manimaran is the proprietor who taken the goods from his business for his personal use. So you have imagined yourself, you run the business. You have run the business. From your business, you taken goods. 1,000 rupees worth of goods you taken from your business for your personal use. Do you understand? For your personal use, you taken the goods from your business. The worth of goods is 1,000 rupees. Okay. So, whenever you taken goods from your business for your personal use, whenever you take the goods or cash from your business for personal use, you have to write drawing account. Drawing account is to be debited. Drawing account debtor. Personal use, the term, you have to use the term drawing account debtor for personal use. Whenever you see the personal use in the transaction, you have to enter drawing account on debit side. Drawing account is to be debited. Okay, here when you taken the cash for your personal use, you have to enter drawing account debtor to cash account. Whenever you taken goods from your business for your personal use, you have to enter the journal entry is drawing account debtor to goods. For goods, you have to take purchases. Instead of goods, for goods, you have to use the term purchases. So, drawing account debtor to purchases account. Do you understand? Okay. For this transaction, from this narration, what is the correct journal entry? You have to enter drawing account debtor. I said personal use. Whenever you see the personal use in the given transaction, you have to write drawing account on debit side. So, drawing account debtor. Drawing account always debited. Drawing account debtor 1,000 rupees. For goods, you have to use the term purchases account. When you taken goods from your business, you have to write purchases account on credit side. So, purchases account is to be credited. So, the correct journal entry is drawing account debtor 1,000 rupees to purchases account. From the given narration, we have to pass the correct journal entry, that is drawing account debtor to purchases account. Okay. Which side we have the error? Can you say which side we have the error? Listen, we have to compare on both sides. Okay, on debtor side and the creditor side. Let's see the first debtor side. What we have on debtor side from the given journal entry. Debtor side we have Manimaran account debtor 1,000 rupees. From this narration, we passed the journal entry on debtor side, drawing account debtor. And let's take the creditor side. They given two purchases account 10,000 rupees. On creditor side, we passed two purchases account 1,000 rupees. So creditor side is the same account, purchases account. So there is no error on creditor side. We have to compare from the both journal entry. Given journal entry, we pass the journal entry from the narration. So we compare on both sides, then only we find out the error. On credit side, we have the same account, two purchases account. So debtor side, we have find out the error on which side? On debtor side. So drawing account debtor is the correct journal entry. Moneymoran account, this is the error. We find out the error. Where is on debtor side we have the error. Okay, we find the error now. Okay, how do we rectify it? The rectification of a journal entry is drawing. Whenever you see the personal account, you have to use the term drawing account debtor. Okay, so on debit side you have to enter drawing account debtor. They have given here the narration personal use. We entered the rectification journal entry is drawing account is debited with 1,000. Okay, then we have to find which side we have the error. On debit side. Listen, Moneymoran is account is the error. Which side? On debit side. We have to credit the Moneymoran account. The error account, on which side we have the error account? We have to opposite side. We have to enter it on the opposite side. For example, you have credit side, we have the error. We have to debit it. Then only the error will be rectified. We have error in, now we have error in debit side. We have to credit it. Do you understand? Okay. So we have to credit the Moneymoran account to Moneymoran account 1,000 rupees. Now the error is rectified. Okay. So you must write the narration. Okay, for every journal entry. If you don't write the narration, you have prepared write the narration on your own words. But you don't know to write the narration, you just copy for before the given narration. From the question they given the narration, you have to copy the same word as the narration. Finally, you have add the word now rectified. That's all. Okay. Do you understand? Please comment it on the comment box. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.